Email Marketing Repair Kit Review. Welcome to my review video. Macman A Inline Review. My review video. Macman A Inline Review. Affiliates, are you ready to give your subscribers something that will help them get much better results with email marketing without breaking the bank and generate high EPCs and commissions for you? With our highly congruent funnel, Email Repair Kit provides a step-by-step blueprint to become a trusted sender in the eyes of the major IPSs like Google and Yahoo, and this is now the only way to guarantee to get more emails delivered to the inbox. Email Marketing Repair Kit. New mask mail rejections to start April 2024, Google says. Are you ready? The only way to guarantee emails are delivered to the inbox in 2024 and beyond is to create a trusted sender domain reputation and adopt best practice procedures. $1,000 in affiliate cash prizes. What exactly is Email Marketing Repair Kit? Email marketing has changed, and unless your subscribers adopt the latest methods and strategies that are working in 2024 and beyond, chances are they will not see much email marketing success. Who is this created for? The training is designed to help marketers at all levels. Beginners get a quick start guide to guide them through the basics to create a powerful email marketing system, and experienced marketers will learn how to check domain scoring, create postmaster tools, and get detailed information to remove IPs and domains from 13 blacklist services. What's included? We have created a comprehensive resource delivered in 10 modules that provides step-by-step information to create a brand new email marketing system built on creating a trusted sender domain, which is essential post mail's recent updates. We include lots of links to outstanding free tools to check and improve subject lines and check for spam, blacklisting, and sender scores, which is essential to create a trusted sender reputation. What does this mean for email marketers? Unless you are set up and validated exactly how Google need to see your sending domain structure, your bulk emails will be blocked and starting in April, not even sent to spam, just blocked and lost forever. With that said, it is no wonder it's getting harder to get bulk emails delivered to the inbox, with spam at an all-time high. The introduction in February for everyone sending bulk emails to have fully validated domain records in place was only the start. If they decide to go even deeper to combat spam, marketers not following the latest rules and adopting best practice procedures will struggle, with many likely to lose a significant amount of profit from their email marketing business. It's already getting harder, and this is before the new rules are applied. If you do email marketing, you will no doubt have seen a decline in results recently, and it is not going to get any easier. Google and Yahoo introduced new rules February 2024. I am sure you will have seen the updates about what is now required to comply with Google's new requirements for sending bulk emails. In brief, unless domain names used to send bulk email can be verified as being owned by the sender by creating and validating SPF, CAM and MARC records and adding them to the domain DNS, chances are emails sent from non-validated sender domains will not reach the inbox. In all honesty, creating the correct records and validating the domain DNS is not a difficult or expensive task. You can find services to create and validate the domain records required for as little as $20 on services like Fiverr, but this is only one piece of the email marketing delivery puzzle. Unless you adopt a different approach to your future email marketing, chances are your emails will never see the light of day. So who am I and why can I help? My name is David Henry, and I am the CEO of DHM Digital, based in the UK. We provide digital marketing services to small and medium-sized businesses. We design and build email and SMS marketing platforms, and provide specialist hosting services. Our first email autoresponder, Inboxing Pro, was launched back in 2017 and is still going from strength to strength. We added our SMS marketing portal using advanced two-way chatbot technology in 2019, and our specialist hosting division for email marketers followed in 2020. So I think it's fair to say we know a little about email marketing. Automated bulk email validations. You can see exactly how each email is validated by the major ISPs and is delivered or rejected based on the domain records in place. Unless you have this process built into your outbound bulk email campaigns, you will never see any real success. How to create the perfect email campaign. Writing style is a personal choice, but you must create your campaign with the fundamentals in place to ensure your email is delivered to the recipient's inbox, not spam box. In this training, you will learn how to structure your campaigns to pass the spam filters and score the highest possible scores by sending a variety of campaigns. Build relationships, boost brand awareness, promote your content, generate leads, market your products, nurture leads. Bonus 1. ChatGPT Masterclass. Increase your marketing productivity with this hands-on workshop, which shows how to use ChatGPT for maximum results. Bonus 2. 50+ actual chopped email marketing prompts and ideas. Create highly engaging emails using a selection of professional prompts and include special days, event invitations, Ray engagement emails, customer testimonials, seasonal promotions, abandoned cart emails, welcome emails, and buy one get one free promotions. Bonus 3. TikTok ad training. Get started with the fastest growing social media platform, TikTok. Get access to this comprehensive training delivered in HD videos and discover how to reach brand new audiences, make new connections, and implement new lead generation methods. Are you ready to get started? There is no time to lose. Now is the time to take back control of your own sender reputation and get more of your emails in the inbox, not the spam box. We did discuss the price of this resource, and whilst it should be a $97 or $197 private members area service, we want as many people as possible to go through each module because we have far more opportunity to create new customers for our core services. So during this limited time launch, get unlimited access to our private membership area for just $12.95.